Hello everyone and welcome to the Ultimate DIY show. Now, why the W? Because we do it with Yahweh, our special host, which you cannot see, but I promise you he's there. So for today, we're going to discuss a little bit what happened in the past 3 weeks, how our YouTube channel is performing and what's going on in our channel and the videos that we've been doing, and just have a small 5-minute recap about what was happening. So for the past 3 weeks we've started our channel, and basically in the 3 weeks we've uploaded 3 videos. One was with Dad in the garage and we've done the workbench. The second one was with the kids and we did the tripod that we are using now. And then in part 3 we were working with Mom and we were doing the herb garden. So we did 3 projects already, and it's not performing as well as it should perform, but it's also not performing bad if you look at our YouTube channel. So basically our YouTube channel currently, for the 3 weeks that we've been running it, is on 40 views. We've got a couple of likes and we've got 3 subscribers, which is not that much, but it is really hard actually to get subscribers. It's really hard to get likes and also viewers, because there is so many people doing this and you need to up your level to actually make it work and to actually gain those viewers that you need. So basically we need 4,000 watch hours, which we are currently on 5.9 hours, almost 6 hours of video watch hours, and basically we need 4,000 and we need 1,000 subscribers. So we are far behind, but most people that get this rating, basically it takes a year, unless it is something really unique, then you can get it faster. But most people average, it takes them about a year to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we've been on 3 weeks, we've got 3 subscribers, we've got a couple of likes, we've got 40 viewers, people that's watching our show, and then we've got 5.9 hours of video watch. So today we're going to be doing this new project. It's not going to be with Mom, it's not going to be with Dad, it's not going to be with the kids, it's going to be with the whole family, and everyone is invited into this new series that we're going to be starting today. And this is going to be an ultimate project just to get our viewers and to attract more viewers and to get more subscribers and people that like our show. So we're going to be doing a little bit of the ultimate in this show. So basically we're going to be starting with a painting, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the painting. But in the previous shows what I've done is I've fast forwarded the videos a lot, and then obviously when you are fast forwarding you can't really talk about it because otherwise your voice would be all messed up. So what we're going to be doing in this part, because this is going to be a little bit of a longer series, so we're going to might cut it into parts, and we're going to be doing it a little bit different. We're going to be recording the video, and as we start to edit our video and start to forward, that is when I will do all the explanations and discuss what we are currently doing in the painting, the drawing, the background, the layering, all that stuff that goes into a painting. And I'll be showing you guys while the video is playing. I will be recording an audio for that, because this is going to be a long series, so I don't want to waste time and I don't want to be talking too much and pausing too much and editing too much into the video. So this is what we're going to be doing, and we're going to be doing it with the paint. We've got brushes, we've got our cloth, because we're going to be working today on fabric paint, and we're going to be working on fabric like our brushes, and we're going to be actually doing a portrait, which is going to be a little girl that we're going to be doing. There she is, a beautiful child that we're going to be doing, and we're basically going to do this portrait for today, and we're probably going to be a week busy with this project. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and I hope you learn a lot in our video. We are new to this, we are going through a process of learning as myself, and we will grow it with God, because God is providing for us at this stage. In our previous show with the herb garden with Mom, I've already sold that, and we've got $450 for it. It's not much, but it's a start. I use that money basically to buy paint and to buy all these things, and currently God gave me 4 paintings that is on order basically, and this is one of them that I have to do, and then I'm going to be charging the client 2,000 Rand for one painting. So for the 8 paintings, for the 4 paintings, it's basically going to be 8,000, and this is where our show and this is where our process is going to start, of raising a fund so that we can buy tools and buy equipment for our woodwork and for our outside work and inside work and all that stuff. We're going to be needing that fund. So this is actually a great start for us, because God provided us with this, and there's much more into it that's coming into the future that is planned out, but I'm not going to be spoiling that now, because this is a show where we start from zero and make a success out of it, and we are busy doing that. So thank you guys for watching. Like it, share it, and I hope you guys are learning a lot of skills while watching the Ultimate DIY show. Let's get started with our new project with everyone. Okay, so we're prepping our white soft touch sheet, and we're going to use clean water to flat it out and to get all the wrinkles out. Make sure there's no objects underneath, so that you have a straight and nice surface to work on. We also use a sponge just to take out all the excess water and to even straighten it out better. Make sure you have more than enough space around you to work. This is a big sheet, so you basically need to move around a lot, and that's why we're using the corner of the table, so that we can move around easy. The sheet that we are using is a 3/4 sheet I bought from Mr. Price Home for 119 Rand, and our sponge that we are currently using was around 3.60 Rand, which is not that much. Okay, as we are about done flattening out our sheet with our sponge, taking out all the excess of water, we're gonna start by drawing our frame onto our white sheet. We use a builder's square, which is 400 by 600 millimeters long, and this is really important because you need your frame to be as square as possible, because we're going to block our painting, and doing so you need it to be square so that you don't waste your painting at the end of the day. We also are using a 7B Adele drawing pencil, which cost us around 10.50 Rand. It's a dark pencil, and we're also going to be doing our drawing or our sketch for our painting with the same pencil. The reason for us using the glass table is when you put your water on your sheet, it kind of sticks to the table nice, because you don't want the sheet to be moving around while you are measuring it out square. Okay, once you are done with your frame and you've made sure it's square, you just take a normal scissor and basically cut off all excess of sheet. So we basically cut it on our frame, because this is going to be a big painting, so you don't want excess sheet in your way. The smaller you keep it, the better, because then you have more than enough space to work. Okay, so this is a portrait, so I'm going to put it in portrait view, and then I'm just going to make sure everything is flat onto my table, and make sure it is square. Now if your cloth is still wet enough, you don't need to actually use water again. Okay, so we just flat it out, and we're just going to do this halfway, and then we're going to start painting our frame. I'm using my hand to do this, but you can also use the sponge. But for now the hand is working better because the sheet is getting dry, so the sponge is going to dry it out even more. Okay, so I'm using Crisitex charcoal paint, and it's around 34 Rand, and this is also a non-toxic paint, so it is kids friendly, which is a good thing when you are working with kids. So I'm using a 3/4 inch synthetic brush. The reason why I'm using the synthetic brush is because the sheet can be harsh on your paintbrush, and it tears and wear your brush, so the synthetic brushes is kind of strong, and it works well for working with fabric paint on fabric. Now when you do your paint, make sure your sheet is not too wet, otherwise it will smudge into your frame, which is not going to be a big of a problem at this stage. I'm using both my hands, left and right. Now it's not that difficult. Once you start painting and learning the skill of painting, you will learn how to use both your hands, which is a very great thing if you can do it with both your hands, because sometimes you need to hold your brush on certain edges, and using your other hand when needed is going to be of a great benefit for you. The synthetic brush, I got it for 48 Rand, which is a good price considering it's a good brush. It's strong, and working on fabric you need a strong brush. When painting your frame, make sure to go over the edges onto the glass table, and the reason for doing this is basically so that your sheet would stick to the glass, because when the paint gets dry it's almost like glue, and when you do your sketch or your painting's drawing, your sheet will not move around and disturb you while you are doing your sketch. The other reason for doing this is fabric tends to shrink when it gets dry, and once you're busy with your painting, you don't want your sheet to shrink into different sizes, because it does have an effect on your painting at the end of the day. Also make sure when you are doing this that your sheet is in the right position and in a easy to work position. Okay, so I'm using a microfiber cloth, and that is just to dry my brush
after cleaning it in water. And then we're just going to mark out this side as well. Always make sure your cloth is clean and there's nothing in your cloth that will have a bad effect on your painting. So as we are about to finish with our frame and our first part of our painting, which is prepping the sheet, I would just like to say thank you for watching the Ultimate DIY show, doing it with Yahweh. And please guys, like it, share it, and comment as well. And please subscribe to this channel so that we can grow our channel in learning more people, more skills, and to be able to make a success out of this show. Thank you guys for watching the Ultimate DIY show. See you in the next episode where we will start with our sketch of our painting.